Howdy y'all, welcome to another video. Today we're working on the Chev. Should have been a no-brainer. This time we're dealing with some fun shenanigans here. Working on old electrical shenanigans. So let's get all this started up. It's gonna clear up my workbench a little bit. Gonna stand you guys right up here. Oh, come on, stay right there. Come on, guys. Don't want you going nowhere. Alrighty. Car. Alrighty. What we're dealing with right now is a good old part. I don't remember exactly what this part's for. I'm going to be quite frank with you. It just goes to show how much I know about this thing, huh? Electrical's a new animal. Now, not really, but you know what I mean. Alright. So what you guys are watching me do is cleaning off the contact points. Smell of rust is rust. It smells delicious, huh? Got to clean off the contact points to make it easier to install onto the truck, and also make it a little bit better for it too. Clean off more. Well, about as good as she's gonna get. Anyway, alright, so what we're dealing with here is I'm gonna have to rewire some of the truck, or at least some of the truck's electrical. That's not the fun part, it's gonna be the fun part. If you catch my drift. Oh boy. Alright, let's see. My wire cutters. I have a motor over here, somewhere around here. I have all sorts of stuff over here. It's not even funny. Oh, it'd be nice to know where my wire cutters went. Not cutters, but my strippers and all that shenanigans. Oh boy, where'd you go? Oh, it's not there. Oh, there it is. Right next to my knife. Away she goes, huh? Alright. So, we're gonna do nice and cleanly strip 3 of these wires. Here we go. Ready? 1 wire stripped. Might take it back just a little bit more. Okay. Well, that goes planned. There we go. 1 wire stripped. Next one. Here we go. Oh, cut the wire too. Oh no, I didn't cut the wire, it just didn't strip it. Okay. Okay, that makes more sense. Alright, here's that wire cut next. Finally, the last wire, it needs to be stripped. It's brown wire. Sweet. Alrighty. Just like that, all 3 wires are stripped. And ready to rock and roll. Yes, you may see a 4th wire dangling, but that's for the actual blow motor itself. Okay. Alrighty, so we need some crimp connects. Yes, I'm using crimp connects instead of soldering. I would solder, but I kind of don't feel like it. And also it's kind of cold too, so yeah. Up and I'll drop that. All right, we're gonna use this. I like these crimpers a little bit. They crimp really nicely. All right, that crimped pretty decently. When I crimp it onto the other wire, it shouldn't do anything stupid. Next one. There she goes. And there she goes. Oh, sweet. All right. Oh, last crimp for the day. We can really get it going. Don't be too terrible. Get this last crimp in. This might be a multi-part video, depending on how I'm feeling. So, not multi-part, but multi-part series, to be exact. So yeah. Well, there's the wires crimped. They're different sizes, I know, but you know, you get what you get. Alrighty. Let's go back to the truck. Alright, hopefully I can place you guys in a good location where you guys can see what the heck I'm doing down here. Maybe. Might work. Who knows? So, guys might be asking yourself, TLC, how in the heck does this wiring go together? To a short answer your question, I have no clue. I've done a little research on it, but even then it's like still very slim and I can't really tell. I just gotta remember how like all the wires go together on the system and then all that. I know one of these wires goes from the blower motor, so I just gotta trace down wires where they go and see what other wires are joined with them, you know. Which I think I've figured it out slightly. Granted, you have a 4-plug here, but yet my truck's a non-AC truck, so I'm gonna make best do with what I got and make some broad assumptions. So, yeah, I should have brought the wire cutters with me. I gotta cut off that plug anyway, so right back with some shenanigans. Back with some wire cutters. Alrighty, let's see how well this turns out, huh? I'm cutting all 4 wires at once. Let's see how well this turns out, huh? Already, I can tell you it's already turning out bad. Alright. There's 1 wire there. Next wire. Bam. 2 wires there. I don't think that yellow one's connected. Who knows? Alright, here we go. Last 2 right here. Oh, man. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Oh, come on, baby. Maybe. Nope, I'm gonna have to do it 1 wire at a time. Great. I'm also gonna have to sharpen these really bad, too. Alright, and bam. Sweet. That's one way how to do a plug delete. Alright. Well, part 1 for y'all. We're gonna What's next on the agenda is to get these wires here, these third wires, connect them with this guy right down here. So, yeah. Well, join me for the next one. I'll be trying to post these videos daily. So remember, y'all, like, subscribe, do all the necessary things YouTube's asked you to do, or don't. Doesn't matter to me. If you don't subscribe, then you don't subscribe. Anyway, yeah, peace, y'all.